Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make our Golden Lotus earrings. These earrings feature a lotus coin bead along with a second little lotus bead. Let's take a look at the products and tools we'll need to make them. For this project, we will be using a 4mm antique gold twist Heishi bead. I have these 7mm antique gold lotus beads. Then I've got these 19mm matte opaque royal blue gold lotus coin Czech glass beads. I have 21mm gold filled French hoop ear wires, and then I have 2-inch 21 gauge gold eye pins and head pins. For my tools, I will be using chain nose pliers, round nose pliers, and I've got wire cutters. You can find links to all these beads and supplies in the description below. So let's get started. Okay, so to begin, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to pick up a head pin and the little lotus bead. And I'm just going to go ahead and string that on, and I'm going to make a simple loop at the open end of this. So to do that, I'm just going to bend it over at a 90-degree angle. Then I'm going to take my wire cutters and I'm going to cut off the majority of it, just leave it a little tail there. Set that aside. Then I take my round nose pliers and I grab just at the tip of the wire there, and then I just roll it back into a loop. So you can just kind of see there, got a nice little loop. And I'm just going to close that a little bit more. It's still a little open there. Got that one, and I'm just going to do the same thing again with the second lotus bead. Again, bending over at a 90-degree angle. Cutting it off there. And then grabbing your round nose. And then just rolling it back into a little loop. And then I always just kind of adjust my loop on there. All right, so I've got those. And then to build the top part of my earring, I'm going to grab an eye pin, and I'm going to pick up one Heishi, and I'm going to pick up the lotus coin bead. But I want to make sure that the lotus is kind of pointing up there. Slide that on, and then grab another of the Heishi. And I'm just going to make a simple loop at the open end of this eye pin. So I'm just going to, again, make a 90-degree bend. Take your chain nose and cut off wire there, just leaving a little bit. And then grab your round nose and grabbing just at the tip of the wire. And then you're just going to roll it back. Kind of adjust that. So there, I've got that one. And then I'm just going to repeat that process for the second coin bead. Heishi, the coin, and then the other Heishi. And the nice thing about these coin beads is that they have the powder on both sides, so that's really nice if it ever kind of like flips in your ear or anything. So again, just make a simple loop at the open end there. Cut off your excess wire, grabbing your round nose, and then just gently rolling it back into a simple loop. All right, so I've got my components here. So now I'm just going to go ahead and assemble my earrings. And to do that, I'm going to take my chain nose pliers, and I'm going to open the loop on the bottom part of the lotus here, and I'm going to attach it to the tiny little lotus bead. So to do that, just open it to the side. I'm going to slide on the lotus bead loop, and then I'm going to close it. Got one, and then just repeat that process with the second. Open it to the side, you slide on your lotus bead, and close it. So now my earrings are made there. I just need to go ahead and put on my ear wires. So to do that, same fashion that you opened up the loop, you just open the bottom of this ear wire to the side. Slide on your simple loop there, and then you close it. So now you've got these cute little earrings, and just repeat the process for the other ear wire. And now you have these little fun Golden Lotus earrings. You can find the products and tools for this inspiration design at fusionbeads.com.